So, have you ever faced a situation where you don't want others to know your real location, maybe while sharing your location with someone or playing location-based games? Here's a guaranteed way to fake your location easily and without being detected. It's called MagFone Location Changer. Let's see how to use it to change your location across all apps. First, enable location services and developer mode on your iPhone or Android so MagFone can detect your device. Next, download MagFone Location Changer from the official website. Launch the software and tap the Start button. Once your phone is detected, click Next. Choose any location on the map and tap Start Modifying. All your apps will now reflect this new fake location. Let's check it out. MagFone also lets you simulate movement. This makes it more realistic, so nobody will notice you're using a fake location. You can create a point-to-point route or even set a multi-point route. And for gamers, there's joystick support to make movement smooth and interactive. Whether it's for privacy or fun, just download MagFone and give it a try.